He's bigger than it and controls both aspects. What makes this understanding unique is that everything we see exists in different states, like frozen moments in time. These states need something to make them change and move forward, and that's where God's role becomes crucial. He provides the processing power that makes everything work together, not just maintaining the universe but actively participating in its operation. This understanding of how reality works leads us to a deeper question about consciousness. How do we, as conscious beings, fit into this complex system of display and processing? The answer involves something called quantum mechanics and identity operators.
Now, how do I make sense of consciousness?
Well, ordinarily, quantum mechanics, you know what quantization is?
You know, I know the word.
Yeah, well, you decide what the ultimate irreducible objects are. Mm-hmm. It turns out that in order to quantize that theory that I was talking about, that theory of identity, where you've got the display and you've got the processor, mm-hmm. and it's handling both, it turns out that in order to handle both of those things, you need a certain kind of quantum. That quantum is called an identity operator. God is the identity, so obviously these little quanta, they have to be, they're doing things, they're processing, so we can call them operators, right? They are identity operators, okay? The identity operator has, basically it takes input from the outside world, recognizes it or accepts it using syntax, processes it, and then returns it to the world as external state.